Today's topic is to learn how to use PLC. First, let's take a look at the configuration of PLC box on the screen. There are wiring breakers and push buttons PB1, PB2 and selector switch SS. Below that is the PLC and the limit switch LS on the right. 4 lamps and 1 buzzer were used for the output. Here we have 4 inputs and 5 outputs. The description of each part in the middle of the screen and below it is defined for PLC I. Now look at the wiring contents inside the PLC box and for each electrical sequence. The screen configuration shows breakers and PLCs, buttons, selector switches and limit switches, lamps and buzzers. Based on the PLC, the top is the input and the bottom is the output. After connecting with each appliance, we will go back to the first configuration page. Start the wiring. Before starting the operation, you have to write the PLC program. Here we simply check the output for each input. When the push button PB1 input is present, the GL lamp lights up. If the push button PB2 input is present, the RL1 lamp will light. If the selector switch has an SS input, the RL2 lamp will light. Finally, with a limit switch LS input, the YL lamp and the buzzer BZ will cross each other. The YL lamp and buzzer BZ are repeated at 2-second intervals each. We will create a PLC program ladder. This completes the creation of the program ladder for use in the PLC. Now we will enter this program into the PLC and test the entire operation. Check the motion slowly.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Input on. SS. Input off. SS. Input on. LS. Input off. LS. Press the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Input on. SS. Input on. LS. Release the button. PB1. Release the button. PB2. Input off. SS. Input off. LS. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Today's learning topic was to learn about each PLC configuration and connection which is used for electric automatic control. Next time, we will learn the basic syntax of PLC ladder. There are several commands in the PLC program. You must understand and use this command. Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.